Statistical process control, or SPC, is a method of using statistics to control the quality of a process. In engineering or manufacturing, there's going to be a lot of complicated processes where a lot of different things can go wrong. And SPC provides us with a visual representation of what is going on with our process and if anything is going wrong or if we need to change anything. The most important tool in SPC is the control chart. This is what a control chart looks like. There are a lot of different kinds of control charts, but they all serve the same purpose and they all look pretty much the same. We're looking for two things when looking at a control chart. The first thing is our points in our process able to meet the goal, and is our process stable enough to fall within the two limits, the upper and lower limit. This particular one is an acceptable one. The points have a normal distribution, they are all within the limits, there's no real discernible pattern, and they're all centered around the goal for the most part. There are several patterns that indicate that something is going wrong with our process. There's trends, cycles, and shifts. Trends are when our points go up or down continuously. Cycles are when our points go up and down and then back down in a continuous and predictable way. And shifts are when our process is going pretty well, but then it shifts down into the lower end or up into the higher end and it just stays there. A little bit of variability is common. Every process is going to have some variability. But when we see these patterns, that means that something special is going on in our process that is causing them, and we need to check it out and see what's going on. Let's imagine that we're manufacturing electrical wires, and this is our control chart. Now we can see a clear pattern in this control chart. It's going straight down. It's a trend that's going straight down. We started off with really reliable wires. None of them were damaged pretty much, and now we're getting more and more damaged ones. So we can say that we are experiencing a downward trend. And obviously that's a bad thing. Something is progressively getting worse. Either it's a gear that is getting worn down and getting progressively worse and worse, or maybe it's the battery is getting low and causing our process to become worse and worse over time. Something is progressively getting worse, and that's really going to be key in figuring out what the problem is and where the problem is coming from. The biggest thing, however, is that we were able to see a pattern and we know that something is wrong with our process. Even if we don't know exactly what it is yet, we know that something's wrong and we're already on the road to recovery.